This is just outside Victoria Station,
Refer to us.
on the way to the National Archaeological. We're just trying to find something to eat on the way. See you, Enrico. Oh yeah, we ate at this cafe over there because the one right in front of the museum is crazy expensive. So this is the National Archaeological Museum of Athens, where I really want to go, and they say this is the museum to see if you come to Athens. First things that you see, the sculptures. This is all from the Mycenae area. Mycenae area? I'm not sure how to pronounce it. Even the backs of the statues are so gorgeous. This one, you can see the traces of paint because they were all, of course, painted. Just for an example, the back of this one. Look. This is the god Dionysus. They were fighting with the dog and cat. Or making them fight. That's not nice. This is from, they say, a funeral thing. Funerary chorus. They're playing a game, and it's like hockey. With curved sticks. So 10 years later, now we're in the 5th century. Or, because before this stuff was from 6th century, so is this 100 years later. And we have a bull over there. This is Zeus or Poseidon. I'm thinking it might be Zeus throwing like a thunderbolt. Maybe there was a thunderbolt in his hand before. It's gorgeous from the back too. Related to astronomy. And then this is horse stuff. Taking a picture of all the arrowheads from Battle of Thermopylae. A lot of statues. Okay, this is old ancient technology stuff here. Probably related to astrology or, I don't know, going across the sea to help them navigate. I don't know. It's like so beautiful here. I'm pretty sure this is Aphrodite. Supposed to be the best profile. clocks are from Fountain Olympia. Hold on. I like this. It's a sea goddess named Tritonessa. Or it is a Tritonesses. A Neolithic civilization. Yes, they had a civilization. So they even had jewelry. Look. Those are the Neolithic tools. We are now in the Mycenae area, and I think the bull there is gorgeous. So
Next time we go to this is the message.
this is one of the main squares, and we're at Siri Station.